If you open the email you received to your personal email address with all the details regarding accessing Congress online, you will note the URL. You'll also note your username and password. Before I click on the link, I'm just going to copy the password and I'm going to click on the URL, which will take me to the platform. Here I will enter my username, password that I copied, log in. This is your home page. On Monday at 9 a.m, log in and click start. You'll be taken to this welcome screen. Over here on the left, you will see you've got a home, welcome, which is what we're on now, agenda, where you can go through the agenda for Congress and AGM. And there's also a voting button, which we will come back to. When we start at 9 a.m, click on the live stream button, which is up here on the right-hand side. A pop-up screen will open. Now you'll see for the purposes of this video, there is no content as we're not live. But what you can do is drag from the bottom right-hand corner and make it bigger. You can also move it around anywhere on your screen. When it comes time to vote, click on the voting button over here on the left-hand side. You'll be taken to a screen that looks like this. Now I'm just going to minimize the live stream and put it over here in the corner. When the chair asks for a mover and seconder, if you would like to move or second a motion, just click this thumbs up here. The first two will be taken as the mover and seconder. When called to vote, you'll see here all of motions are ready to go. You'll be able to vote one by one. We're going to do this test question. 25 degrees is the perfect weather for a picnic. I'm going to vote for. You'll have 20 seconds to cast your vote. If you click the wrong option, click the padlock, it'll open it back up, and you can click the option that you meant. When voting is closed, you will no longer be able to change your option. It will stay locked like this. The chair will announce the results. The results will also be available on your screen. Now, for the purposes of this video, there will be no results shown. At the completion of Congress and AGM, you should log off on the platform. Over here on the right-hand side where the initials are, click the drop-down, log out. Now, should you have any questions after watching this video, you can call the support unit on 1300 679 775 on Tuesday the 1st, Wednesday the 2nd, or Thursday the 3rd of December between 10 a.m. and 12 noon. We look forward to you joining us at Congress.